Do you go out to any of the weekend shows still, like boat shows, health fairs, gun shows, or do you stay into more focal things?
No, we still do. We had a home show not too long ago. We had a bike expo not too long ago before that. So we still do larger scale community events. And I mean, the thing about marketing is consistency trumps all. So while we might have a good year and a bad year at any given event, if we do it consistently, we still get an outcome and a result. And the other side to that is also, I'm a huge fan of intentionality. So even if we might not get somebody from that event, if we're putting into the universe our efforts, our intention of getting new patients in the door, we might not get somebody from that event, but all of a sudden we get 5 people who call in on Monday because they need to schedule an appointment. That
Great
you know,
story out there.
that transaction matters.
When I had the big 1,100 week practice, we had a couple years where we really dipped on results from screenings. So we decided to stop them. And then a year or so later, we went back. And what was fascinating was we started looking at the data differently. And although the event might have only had one or two people sign up and the year before it had 10 or 15, we couldn't help but notice the months we went out and did things were so much bigger than the months we didn't. So it wasn't a direct correlation, but it was a very clear coordination that when we were out there, numbers were up. And then the next year when we were out there at all, it was a drastic drop. And so, and especially as social media is only getting more expensive per click, they're screening it more. It just feels more and more perplexed. I think you're really onto something here.